Google NotebookLM is an AI-powered research assistant that helps you organize, understand, and summarize your documents. One powerful feature in Google LM is audio overviews, like mini podcasts, where AI hosts discuss the key insights from your notes. It's a great way to learn hands-free and revisit content anytime, anywhere. We will walk through together this AI exercise with a real example by using the UNESCO AI Competency Framework for teachers as a reference model. It is important that you need to understand your source document. In this exercise, it is UNESCO's framework. This publication provides guidelines for developing teachers' AI competencies and addresses the ethical and effective use of AI in teaching, learning and assessment. It presents 5 dimensions of AI competency: human-centered mindset, AI ethics foundations and applications of AI, AI pedagogy, and AI for professional learning. The framework also provides practical guidelines from developing AI competencies in teacher training programs and encourages nations to adopt national AI competency frameworks for teachers. Now, how do we turn this into a podcast? We use a Google NotebookLM and a tool that allows you to upload documents and interact with them conversationally. Here is how. Upload the PDF or copy the text of your source. You can ask questions like: summarize the key dimensions of AI competence. What ethical concerns are emphasized? Or others. Choose a language version for your podcast in NotebookLM. Remember, this is your private notebook. Your personal data is never used to train the system. Also, keep in mind that the generated content reflects only the sources you have uploaded. It's not a full or objective view of the topic, but it can help you reflect and explore creatively. Now it's time to listen. Just press the audio overviews button in Google LM. After a short wait, you'll get a podcast episode generated directly from your sources. Sit back, relax, and let the AI guide your learning. Hope you enjoyed the podcast and the lesson.